If you're looking for a way to show your team spirit, then definitely check out this neon football helmet sign right here. The brand did send it over to us in exchange for this video, but this light up sign instantly makes any room feel like game day. You just take it out of the box, you plug it in, hit the dimmer switch, and it turns your whole regular room to like an ESPN highlight reel. It's really lightweight. It's super easy to hang because it has the two holes on each side. You just put a nail right through it. And since it runs off USB, you can plug it in pretty much anywhere, like a game room, a man cave, bar setup, even a kid's room if they're obsessed with football. Honestly, if you've been looking for a gift for a sports fan that isn't like another jersey or a coffee mug, this is definitely something to consider. It's one of those things people don't know they need until they see it lit up and they absolutely love it. It could even act as a nightlight in a room. It's so versatile, can be used absolutely anywhere. We love it. We hope you do too, and I hope this video helps.